Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling this morning? Today is the 20th of February. Really just looking to see how this is gonna play out today. Um, we'll just see what's going on. I gotta use the restroom, so I will be right back. But I will be right back, right back. So I will see you guys here in a second. Hey, this man said in the restroom still making money. He said, "Oh shit." Hey man, so anybody doesn't know um Hello, welcome back. My bad. I was in the restroom, but I want to say if there's any viewers that is tapping in strictly for trading, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna be a little patient right now, but I want to let everybody know in the comment section we got here my buddy. That's my buddy right here. He's up in Nine Circle, man. Check out his music, bro. He's got some dope ass visuals, dope ass music videos. Go check him out, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Maybe some shows coming sometime here soon. You never know. Corona's been lifted, but either way though, yeah, feeling really good, man. Um, it's gonna see how this day is gonna start playing out for us. Hold on, hold on. But yeah, that's crazy, my boys in this motherfucker. Yo, so chat. The other night I was with Shorty. And we were watching the movie called The Terrifier. Yo, that movie's badass. Not gonna lie, that movie's badass. That shit's dope. It was like a really fucking. It was a dope ass scary movie. I was a little sad the emo chick, the emo shorty in the beginning, motherfucker got thwapped. But hey, she went out like a G though. She went out like a G. If there's anybody in that movie I want to die like, it would be like the emo shorty. The emo shorty got popped like 7, 8 times in the head. Pow 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 pow. With the 1911, that's crazy. But the emo shorty was badass. She almost smoked that nigga. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but if y'all have ever seen the movie The Terrifier, it's crazy. So it's a dope movie though. We'll say it's a dope movie. You know, guys, I can't lie. I'm really curious on how this 4-hour candle is going to start closing because it closed bearish here, just our previous 4-hour candle, which was at 4 o'clock in the morning. Really curious to see how this 4 hours is going to end up closing. Yeah, boy, we up in the past. That's funny as fuck. Glacius, what's up, buddy? How you doing today? It's another day, my friend. You know, just trying to be a little patient here. Kind of just cooling back, man. To be honest, Glacius, I did end up taking a sell position, which got stopped out. I took a sell position super early. It was the close of that 6:30 candle, and I entered upon the open of the 7 o'clock candle, anticipating that our New York session could give us a nice push leg down, but ended up stopping us out. I took a sell position right here. We ended up getting stopped out about just above this wick here. Um, is what it is, right? I'm not too worried about it at this point. I think at this point we're just gonna have to see what's going on with the higher time frames to better judge of what's gonna happen for us here very, very soon. In regards if we're gonna keep trading bullish or bearish, right? Obviously we're at a pretty nice support here on the 4-hour time frame, so relatively starting to trade bullish pretty much. So bias is relatively better on buys. But my boy Husan Raza, very good to see you, my friend. How you doing today, buddy? Glacius, very good to see you as well, my friend. We are here, man, trying to make it happen, and see if we can get a winning position today. Already took one trade for today, guys. I did end up taking a loss. I will say that. If we go here, took my sell position relatively right here, and we got my stop loss is just above this wick here, and we end up getting stopped out right where that blue line is right there. So you know, not what you want, obviously, right? But when I saw this candle break down, right, give us a relatively understanding. Then I saw this next candle break down. We had a wick at the bottom. We also have a liquidity wick here that we might have potential to fill, which is what I was anticipating. I was like, well, we could potentially fill this wick here, go to about 1840. I could take my profit there and then just let it go, let the rest run. But yeah, buddy. So yeah, and just like Glacius, very 100%, buddy. I went to my Forex calendar, but for some reason I just didn't seem to notice that. And whenever I entered that position, that's when I was like, wow. I was like, it's a bank holiday, like not the best volume. You know what I'm saying? Like, I forced that. You know what I'm saying? If I'm being honest, I forced this position here. And although I feel like naturally, if we was to have like normal market conditions and no bank holidays, I'm pretty sure this position would have probably played in our favor, right? But ended up not doing that for us. So, being a bank holiday, I'm just not too sure, guys, with how how I'm trying to really gauge this. Now that I've already took a one loss, you know what I'm saying? Just kind of just trying to stay patient as possible. We can see is trading bullish as bullish can be right now. So very, very interesting, especially being a bank holiday. It's almost one of those things. If it closes above, maybe we should just take that chance. I mean, it's a bank holiday, but it's just for a good learning experience. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't really beat myself up over a 1.5% loss. I mean, it is what it is. Today, if I did take a loss on this position, if I was to enter right, it would be a 3% loss because I've already took a 1.47 loss, so pretty much 1.5. So it is breaking it though, so it's like pretty interesting. Do I want to go out to 15-minute? Oh, that 15 minutes still fat. Oh yeah, yeah. See, super smart, bro. I love to hear what you're saying, bro. Glassy is very, very smart, man. Yeah, as much as this did pull up bullish, being a bank holiday is just I think I'm gonna stay away from it because I mean, how likely are we to really just start blowing up, right? If we were to blow up, the farthest I can see is maybe goes about here, which would be about the end of this range here. But even then, it's like, yeah, it doesn't look too promising here. But yeah, Glacius, dude, spot fucking on, dude. I'd love to hear that shit. Sometime volume is crazy as fuck, even on bank holidays too. Yeah, straight up, straight up. Like, it's just impressive what these sessions can do for us. You know what I'm saying? Even though it is a bank holiday, sometimes certain sessions just they got the volume you need to make those moves. But obviously today just very, very kind of very tricky, a little tricky today. Yeah, I don't know about, I think, like I said, I've already taken one loss already, so as much as I'd like to get this position a chance, only reason I don't want to give this position a chance is because our stop loss is going to be huge. Well, it's not that big. 35 pips ain't that big. Oh, yeah. 100%. So we have 35 pips. I don't know, is it worth it? Because there's plenty more than 35 pips within this range. But like I said, a realistic one would be about right there. So it's like, how many pips is that away? 145. That's nowhere near enough. Could just blow up though for us. So if it goes up here, that's about like 10 pips. If it keeps going, that'd be very, very impressive. This is, I don't want to say New York. I mean, this is New York session, but like, not necessarily the opening of it. It's almost one of those things. If we can push probably up, maybe around New York Stock Exchange, we might start getting a bearish candle print. Probably start getting a nice little sell retracement play. You know what I'm saying? You can either get the sell retracement play, or you can probably wait for the buy retracement. But either way, though, guys, I think best we stay pretty calm here. Hey, Glacius too, buddy. Thank you so much, buddy, for tapping into my streams, man. I really appreciated all your inputs. I've appreciated all your the things you posted in the Discord, man. Means a lot to me. So I don't know if you know that, man. Especially just because I don't know you. You know what I'm saying? It means more to me. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know you. You know what I'm saying? So seeing you put the effort in, seeing you put such you know, well put together thoughts into the comment section. Also very, very good. You know what I'm saying? You're not just throwing out some just random shit, right? You have very good points to get across, and I really like that, man. So super cool, buddy. Definitely glad to have you on the team. Definitely glad that we are trying to get better as traders every fucking day, man. Let's take a look at pound yen. I wonder what pound yen's doing right now. Ooh, yeah, pound yen is consolidated. Yeah, this is bank holiday, man. Wow. Can't even lie to you, folks. Makes me kind of want to hop off the stream a little bit. It just seems so dead. If there's anything I might wait for, it might be gold, just because of if gold relatively close around here. I mean, shit, might as well take a sell. And that's so annoying how this doesn't save. Man, this saving of my charge, bro, shit is just getting actually irritating. I'll be hitting save, it don't save it. Like, that shit's so fucking annoying. I'm tired of, like, marking up my key levels. Ah, it's so annoying. I don't know why trading is fucking up like this. What the fuck? I ain't do shit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, damn, man, I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling, buddy. Feeling a little impatient, to be honest. But I can't let my impatience get to me. Can't even lie, folks. Even a little sleepy. Part of me's almost thinking about just ending the stream a little bit, just because we got always Tuesday. But like, I don't know. There still seems like I feel like I can maybe get an opportunity relatively, but I don't know. I mean, just like you said, Glacius, myself, I've seen 100 pip plays as well on bank holidays, right? But you just gotta catch that in the right moment. And price action doesn't it doesn't print as cleanly as it does with normal market conditions. I'm sure you know that, but man, hey, we ain't doing nothing right now. Pound yen looking kind of good. 4 hours has a nice buy support. 30 minutes breaking above some good consolidation. You know, kind of liking how GJ's looking right now, to be honest. Pound yen might look like can give us a pretty profitable buy position if we can get this 18-minute. If this 18-minute closes, like if this 18 minutes, if this 30-minute candle close right where it's at right now, I'd take a buy position. I'll take a buy position for sure. Kind of in my own zone right now, ladies and gentlemen. Just kind of chilling back. Don't mind me if I kind of rest my eyes a little bit. Sometimes I'm just kind of just chilling, thinking. Uh, but I will say, if this candle doesn't close in our favor, same with pound or gold, I think I'm just gonna end the stream just because I don't have too much patience just to be hanging around like this. Um, at least for today. For today. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say I don't have the patience to wait around because hands down, if it's Tuesday, any day that's not a bank holiday, trust me, I'm waiting. I like to see what happens during the New York Stock Exchange. I like to see what's going on between, all time frames, right? But it's very important to see what happens here. Taking no impulsive entries. Rather wait for candles to close. If it breaks those wicks, I'm curious to see if like not that I'm gonna do this, but honestly, if it breaks those wicks to the left, there's like 2 wicks here, right here. If they break those, I wonder if this if price action can just continue pushing. Curious to see how this moves. I wouldn't mind it to break, at least get like a wick above it, so like we can at least understand that we've broken past that, and that price isn't necessarily rejecting it entirely. Um, but I would like to see the candle close a little bit below that orange line, just for a better like stop loss purpose. You know, kind of would rather have a little bit of tighter of a stop loss. We did end up breaking that though, so it's pretty good news. Ooh, these 12 minutes are going by slow. Got about 10 minutes till this candle closes, guys. Let's go take a look at gold real quick. See what we're looking at gold. So gold's also printing bearish, right? Oof, this is a tough decision. Now 4 hour though is bear or bullish, so that's kind of a indicator there. 4 hour for gold. Oh yeah, that's bullish though, that's what I want. Damn, son, I wasn't trying to go that high with pound yen though. Oh my goodness. This is pretty much a 1-to-1, boy, I'll tell you that. Shit, if this goes any higher, I don't think I can enter this, is because my most overall take profit here soon is not even going to be a 1-to-1 if it keeps pushing up in the way it does. We still got plenty of time though until this candle closes, so we got a long way to go. We could make a nice fat wick at top. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. With news event, or with bank holiday though, it's like how, I don't know, I mean this is moving pretty nicely so far, right? 3 more minutes. Yes, just what I kind of wanted here. Right at these last like couple minutes too. We got literally a couple minutes left, and then it's action time for real. Just gotta pay attention to that stop loss so we understand when's our first take profit. That 30 pip take profit, that green bar above is my overall take profit. My first take profit is always my 1-to-1. Alright. Getting ready, folks. Getting ready. Come on, baby. This last minute, just stay below. Stay below. Don't do nothing crazy. You got 50 seconds, my guy. Come on, bro. Yeah, there you go. There you go. No, you ain't want to do all that, bro. You ain't want to do all that, bro. Come on. Come on, bro. We all know the truth, bro. Oh, there he goes again. Locked in, locked in. Locked in, locked in. Come on, baby. We got 20 seconds. Feeling decent on this buy position here. I like how we got our higher time frame in confluence. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this position here. 16 and 15, so 16. So if I wasn't mistaken, 16 pips. Yeah, 16. Alright, well, just gonna hold it, man. You know, this would be the rest for the 3%. Could have a 1.5%, you know what I'm saying? That'd be pretty nice. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, so 16. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, obvious, you know, very, very obvious we're going to have to deal with some drawdown here. It's going to want to make a nice little wick for us, and I have a pretty confident feeling that we should be able to push up straight to our profits. Although I do got to say, though, guys, this isn't normal market conditions. We are, I believe, even with pound yen, is still a bank holiday, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Okay, so maybe not necessarily, right? So, but we saw that bank holiday for USD, which I still feel like will play a factor for us here. Pretty confident where that stop loss is too. I like where that's positioned at. Just might start beginning our push to the top side here. We've gotten relatively decent wick. Wouldn't surprise me though if they wanted to get a deeper liquidity wick. Ultimately, you know what I'm saying, I want that bullish range wick to go ahead and touch that overall take profit. All the way up there, 161.71. If we can get a nice bullish range wick to make that happen, you know that put a smile on my face. Seeming a little jumpy, baby. Pound yen seeming like it want to just blow up for a boy real quick. Is that we looking? Is that the type of time we on here? Pound yen. I mean, you're a little interesting right now, pound yen. You're a little interesting. Uh-oh. A nice bullish candle, boy, make me real feel good. But a big old bearish candle is gonna make me study a little harder. That's what that's gonna do. I will say if this position actually doesn't work out for us, I would say I will blame the support. I'll blame the support. But if this play works out in my favor, I blame this candle. This candle is a good indicator for that. Yeah, up 0.1, baby. Chat. Chillin'. For the big 3%. this isn't a full 3% position, but I did, like you guys know earlier, I did take a small loss here on gold to try to take a sell. Got boink, got boink, got boink. So little rare for me to make 2 trades on a Monday, especially on a bank holiday, to be honest. But reason why I am making these 2 positions, because my first loss I took was damn near before my stream. Like, as soon as I started the stream, pretty much I lost. So, and nobody's really able to see anything what happened. So I told myself, you know, it's a little unfair to the viewers to just end the stream even when I just started this mug and was already in the position before. So I was like, that's be only fair if I just stayed around a little longer, try to make another position happen. With good confluence, nothing that I'm like forcing, you know what I'm saying? I truly am confident in this position. But yeah, not usual for me to risk 3% on a Monday, especially on a bank holiday. These are like the worst. I hate being like a pip drawdown for like 5 minutes. It's probably the most frustrating things. Like, just go and profits already. Like, we all know the truth. Pound yen, just trying to get high. NYC is right around the corner, guys. So this candle is very important. Like very, very, very important. Like, I feel like right now it's just trying to trick people. Like personally, like honestly, I'm expecting like a good amount of drawdown in this position because it's such a bullish candle. But I want everybody to know I'm gonna only start getting relatively worried. Not really worried, but like basically understanding like, okay, let's accept the facts here. Probably gonna lose. It's gonna be around 161, 260. I'd say around 161, 260. It starts getting near there. Like we start trading around that level. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I'm gonna just start, you know what I'm saying, be like, okay, well, we just took a 3% loss today, and you know what I'm saying, we just gotta move on, go on with tomorrow, and make our best moves. You know what I'm saying? Um, until then, I feel pretty confident in this position. You know what I'm saying? Although, you know what I'm saying, if it is like 828, and if it's 828 and the bearish candles like that, hell yeah, I'm worried. hell yeah, more. I am most likely gonna do something like closing 90% doing something, because if it's closing bearish like that, and we got NYSE around the corner. Yeah, NYC gonna go ahead and hit the stop loss in a second. You know what I'm saying? So it's like trying to stay away from that. I'm actually a little surprised right now. I feel like with NYSC coming up here too, we should be able to. I would imagine we hit 161.71 relatively easily. Not too much problems. Although I can't say we've had much problems by only having like maybe 5 pips drawdown, right? But kind of expecting us to at least start getting in profits a little sooner. Seems to be holding this resistance quite well. But some tell me though, that next 15-minute candle though is gonna be my best motherfucking friend. He gonna be like, you know what, Losa? He gonna tell me, you know what, Losa? This is the trick, people. The 15-minute gonna be like, yeah, you know that 8 o'clock 15-minute candle? Yeah, that guy. Yeah, he was trying to trick people. He was trying to trick people. That's what he was trying to do. That's how I feel like going on right now. Speaking of that, let's go down the time frames here. Just bit the shit out of my lip. Ouch. Mm. I like sneezed and just straight bit my lip. Oh. It's all good. It's all good. So let's see if I was right. Let's see if I was correct here. What makes me not like this one is this starting off bullish. I'd rather start off a little bearish first and then trend bullish. But I mean, if we just continue like this, I wouldn't be complaining. Let's see if me and this 15-minute can be buddies. Now, personally, I'd like to see this happen. Yes, like right now. So this is not bad, I would say. Seeing this candle go bearish right now, I'd like to see it form some type of wick first. Like I'd rather see this right now. So feeling pretty good as of right now. Also, don't forget, guys, I'm sure we do have that higher time frame on our side here. Yes, we do, we do. Yeah, see our four, yeah. So our 4 o'clock, 4 hour closed, bullish. Makes me feel pretty good about the position, to be honest. There's been plenty of times I've had some stop losses pretty big like this, and you just gotta deal with the drawdown. It's just part of the game, really. I feel like the biggest thing that's really helped me out the most is really just understanding how much I'm gonna lose beforehand, like percents wise. Like understand that this is only gonna be a 1.5% loss, the most. Makes me feel like, yeah, of course the consistency would just suck because it would throw off the consistency. That'd be the biggest issue. But regardless behind that, we have so much more trades to hit. You know what I'm saying? Until we would be able to technically just blow an account, right? I feel like at that point it's difficult to not hit a profitable trade in the amount of time that we have to, with how many trades we have. You know what I'm saying? It's just this is all to be able to develop good habits. You know what I'm saying? This is like the idea. So we are starting to respect that resistance. It's pretty nice. Like to see it keep doing that. I think if price starts breaking below that, it should be a little bit kind of like on the potentially need to consider reevaluating this trade. Both of them. Gold's not too hard to see. I mean, I can kind of see some reasons why I could have pushed up. We've been trending bullish, and not to mention we were near a very high level of support, and also a bank holiday. So, I think if it wasn't a bank holiday, we could have been profitable. But even if not, still a good idea to just keep in mind that we do. It's a good zone to be playing around with right here to get a nice support. I don't even think we've been at like a pip and profit yet. I think we've been up like point 0.8. It's funny how this works because doing the YouTube live streams, I really love doing them. But what's funny about it is like, man, everybody just has their days, man. It's just funny because you're gonna come out here and see it. Like, there's some days, I feel not an ounce of sleepiness. But there's some days I come out here and I feel a little bit more sleepy. Well, I'm gonna make sure I take a note of, like for instance, today I feel sleepy, right? But not just since today I feel sleepy, right? Not that I'm making an excuse. I just want to make it as an observation that like if it was a consistent thing, right? Like every time I came on the stream sleepy, I took a loss, right? I would like to see if that's a pattern, and if it may be a pattern, I like to correct that. Even on the days I might be sleepy, I gotta, now that I have noticed it, maybe I can cognitively think differently a little bit in regards to how I'm gonna approach the markets, knowing that when I'm sleepy, I gotta have to, you know, do even try and give my 150%. You know what I'm saying? First time seeing it hit a motherfucking pip had me locked in. I was looking at that like it was a great day. Fucking funny. But yeah, honestly, I mean, shit. If we can, even if we're like this, personally, like even if we're like this, we close like this, with NYC coming in, I feel great. I feel great. Now I'm not gonna say. Now can I sit here and be like, with this weak ass bullish candle closing like this, do I expect it to hit my overall take profit? Fuck no. Right? NYC, for all I know, is gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying. I would just feel better if taking a loss in a situation where if it went like this, boom, then came back down. It's like, okay, you know what I'm saying, cut it short, XYZ, do whatever I can, right? But if it closes bearish, it just reduces my confidence so much. You know what I'm saying? And although I do know we got about 6 to 7 minutes left with this candle left, um, still very, 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 very important for me to, even if this candle is a minor bullish, to close bullish. Gotta have it close bullish. And I'm digging the soundtrack right now. I'm like in my zone. Like, I don't know if y'all fucking with it, but definitely rocking with it. Alright, gentlemen, we're almost up 5 pips at the point. I believe it is, yeah, so 16 pips, right? So, say once we're about 8 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen, I'll start trailing the stop loss. But until then, not gonna do nothing with trailing the stop loss. By rule of thumb for me, wherever my 1-to-1 is, right? Once I'm about halfway profits to my 1-to-1, that's when I start to like trailing my stop loss. Feel like it gives me a good opportunity to try and reduce risk as I'm going into profits and minimize the amount of like playing time I have in drawdown. Right? Because if I'm in drawdown, I kind of want to deal with it once and only once. I don't like to be in drawdown, go in profit, and then go back in drawdown, right? There's only certain occasions you gotta let that happen. That's only whenever it's going in between, like, 5 pips. You go 5 pips drawdown, 5 pips profit, 10 pips drawdown, 5 pips profit. I mean, you really can't do much. You just gotta stick to your guns. But if you're up 10 pips, 11 pips, I mean, depending on your stop loss, right? It would depend on, like, you trailing your stop loss. But it's just, it makes it tough when you have a really big stop loss, like a 50 pip stop loss, and you're up 10 pips. You can't trail your stop loss. It wouldn't really make sense. I mean, you can obviously you can do whatever you want, but what I mean is, like, if you were to backtest what you did, you wouldn't be able to really backtest your analysis that well because you really didn't see, like, necessarily, like, how well your natural position would have just played out. So bringing relative worry to me knowing that it's 8:26. We got pretty much 3 minutes left, and we're starting to trade bearish. Not really what we want, right? Yeah. So this is gonna be a weird one. I can already tell. In a situation where I haven't necessarily trailed my stop loss or done anything for risk management, some people may ask, well, what do you do to risk manage maybe whenever you're in a situation like this where you haven't trailed the stop loss or closed any type of percentage of the account or of the position to reduce the risk of the entire account, right? Um, Generally, just a simple rule of thumb would be to close full earlier, like around 161, 260 or something like that, right? Somewhere like if I was to move my mouse for you guys to see it, boom, right here, price just started dicking me, right? Just boom, just going all the way down. I'd say I'd start closing pretty much if it breaks that body candle, then I'd be like, alright, I'm gonna close. You know what I'm saying? This is probably the best you can do. Yeah, of course, it's not like, you know, a 1% loss or anything like that, but it's a 1.4. It could be like a 1.4, right? That's better than 1.5. So, if that's what we expect to lose every day, and we can expect to profit 1.5 or more, at that point it's a matter of consistency. And I think, like always, consistency is always, I think, the very most important to longevity. Because I like to have longevity in this game, in this field, whatever you want to call it. Um, I want to be able to wake up as a 50-year-old man and be able to do this shit every single day, and be consistently profitable, and reside in a different area, and maybe have a setup like Hickok 45. If you guys know who Hickok 45 is, trying to get me a little setup like Hickok 45. Get the gongs in the back, take some old 45 ACP out the box, and have a good time. Or whatever ammunition, really. I got a lot of love for like pretty much all firearms, really. I really like. I mean, I'm not gonna be a guy where I'm like, oh, I don't shoot that, or I don't. I mean, I like to get my experience, and I think it's only cool because we're American and we can do that, you know, here in America, and sure other places in the world as well that I don't even know about. Probably allow you to own guns as well, but if they do, it's very interesting to see and be accustomed to them. See how ladies and ours are gonna hold. I mean, I do understand I could just 50%, but I think at this point I'm just gonna hold. I might close full just early, just because it's just already looking to be against us. So if the second this candle pretty much turns bearish, guys, just want to let everybody know that anybody that is in the same position, I did take a loss earlier, right? So I don't want to have a full 3% loss if I can, not make that happen. And what I can do to not make that happen, it's already given us a bad probability sign here with this candle printing bearish. I can't not face the facts here. It is what it is. My probability has now gone down. I need to understand that if this candle starts printing bearish, I'm closing full. Simple as that. Make sure I got my shit ready to go. Only if this candle at this point, if this candle keeps going up, it goes up and I'm gonna hold. But the second it changes on me and it goes bearish, I'm cutting it. I'm not taking my chances. It's NYSE, and NYSE don't play around. I don't know how NYSE is gonna be because it's a bank holiday. So really, how much effect is it gonna have? And this is pound yen. Not saying that that doesn't affect it, but all right, that's it. That's it. I told myself what the deal was. That was the deal, right? NYC's coming in. It's a bank holiday, right? Am I really gonna want to just take a really stupid, silly loss. Fuck no, right? Let's be smart about this, guys. So, yeah, is what it is. We can't be mad about it. We just gotta move on. Um, probability went against us, 100%. This position here is what it is as well. I thought from trading view, looking pretty nice as well. Mediterranean 5 looked pretty decent. I did understand we were trading bullish, but I was still thinking in my head, I was like, stop loss looked nice. It looked like an opportunity. We can have a pretty tight stop loss. Not all the time I'm able to have tight stop losses. So knowing we can have a pretty tight stop loss and this wick being right here, I thought we can have a nice, quick, profitable position. And didn't turn out to be that way. Not at all. And you know, it's just something very, very clear and obvious here. We got a very lot of a strong resistance here. Very strong resistance here formed. 1842. You know, when price breaks past that, it's gonna generally form a support. That's exactly what we ended up doing around the same level. We formed a support, and we ended up continuing bullish. Now at this point, we starting to just range between 1846 and 1842. So we'll just see what happens with gold from there. Um, Pound yen, really happy with the decision I made here. You know what I'm saying? We're able to really not lose really not much at all. I think today we ended up probably losing about, say, 1.8%, maybe 2%. Not the greatest, obviously. So we lost only 1% actually. So it's not bad at all. Yeah. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen, not bad. Let me update the Instagram. I don't know if I want to update the Instagram or if I want to just do it off my stream. I think I might do it off the stream. Yeah, just update it from the stream today. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen. So my apologies for today. Today the consistency wasn't there. I will be updating to my Discord. Also got to update my play that I made on Friday. It was a loss I made on Friday as well on Discord that I didn't end up posting. Need to update that to my Discord. But I got 3 photos I'm uploading to my Discord. 1 was from Friday and 2 are from today. And other than that, though, yeah, we're just gonna just pretty much study. We're gonna keep getting better, and hopefully have a great day tomorrow, for real. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty excited for tomorrow. Let's take a look at our news. For Tuesday, what do we got? Flash PMI for the pound. Okay, so we got flash services PMI around NYSE. Sounds like a plan. Alright, folks. Well, again, my apologies to anybody here that ended up taking a loss, but I hope I was able to showcase to you guys how a trader's supposed to handle a loss, how a trader should feel emotionally when he takes a loss. You know what I'm saying? Um, and how to get better from it. You know what I'm saying? And the only way I'm going to show you guys how I can get better from it is by coming here tomorrow and trading and taking a profitable position and then staying consistent, right? And keeping the streak going. On a relative losing streak here, we got a little 3 losing streak here after the very profitable position we did have on gold on core price index. So yeah, is what it is. That was on Valentine's Day. Super cool. But regardless, it'd be a lot cooler if we were these are profitable positions here. We would have been doing very well for ourselves here, but no worries. We just gotta I just gotta keep maintain focus. But I'm really looking forward to showcase that to you guys tomorrow because um sorry, it feels like a turnaround's coming soon. Really does. Feels like it's a big breakthrough, and hell yeah, guys! Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate.